Jai Hind all of you. Today I am here with a new video in which I will discuss recap exercise of chapter number 2. This chapter is related to the 4 fundamental operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So in recap exercise, the first question is add the following. So in this you have to simply add these numbers. So 6, 5, 2, 3, 6, 5 and you have to add 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 0. So students, you can add it simply. 5, 9, 6, 15, carry 1. It will be 4 plus 8, 12. Again carry 1. 7, 3, 10. Again carry 1. 5, 5, 10. Again carry 1. And 6, 3, 9. So it will be the answer. So in the same way you can do rest of the part of this question. Similarly, in question number 2 you have to subtract, and in question number 3 you have to multiply, and in question number 4 you have to divide. Now let's move to question number 5. Question number 5 is here. Solve the following word problems. Here is A part. A school ordered 25,875 books for the school library in the month of August. If 32,069 more books were ordered in the month of September, then how many books were ordered in all? So in all means total. You have to find the total number of books. So students, in the month of August जो order की गई है 25,875 books order की गई है. So we can do it like this, that ordered book in August. What you write? Ordered books in August. It will be 25,875. Next, ordered books in September. So it is 32,069. After that you will write total number of books. So simply you will add it and you will get the answer. Here is B part. Vaisali climbed up 11,985 steps to the shrine on the hilltop. So hilltop तक जो total steps हैं वो 11,985 हैं. She descended, वो नीचे उतरी 11,236 steps. Okay. एंड कवर्ड रेस्ट, और जो बाकी डिस्टेंस है वो हॉर्स बैक पे कवर करती है. ओके 11,236 स्टेप्स वो उतर जाती है पहले, और बाकी जो बच रही है डिस्टेंस उसको हॉर्स बैक पे कवर करती है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मेनी स्टेप्स डिड सी कवर ऑन हॉर्स बैक. सो सिंपली ये इसमें हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा. सो किस तरह से कर सकते हैं, चलिए लेट्स डू. सो टोटल स्टेप्स, और वी कैन राइट टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स 11,985. Descended steps 11,236. So steps covered on horseback, this we have to find out. on horseback. So simply it will be on subtract. So you will subtract now. So जब आप इसको subtract करते हैं so इधर कैरी हो जाता है 15 minus 6 it will be 9 and 7 minus 3 it will be 4 and here 9 minus 2 7 और ये सब 0. So 749 steps will be the answer for this question. Next question. In a large fruit basket there are 6125 cherries. How many cherries will be there in 7 such baskets? So in one basket, number of cherries in one basket, it is 6125. Now number of cherries in 7 baskets, we have to find 7 baskets. So it will be 7 times. So 6125 multiply 7. So simply you will multiply this 6125 multiply by 7 and you will get the answer. Now the last question of this exercise is, there are 5280 mangoes to be packed equally in 12 boxes. So 5280 मैंगोज़ को 12 बॉक्सेस में पैक करना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट हाउ मैनी मैंगोज़ विल बी इन द वन बॉक्स. सो नंबर ऑफ मैंगोज़, द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ इट इज इन 12 बॉक्सेस. बिकॉज ये जितने भी मैंगोज़ है सभी 12 बॉक्सेस में पैक करने हैं. सो 5280. Now number of mangoes in one box. So जब आप वन बॉक्स में फाइंड करते हैं तो आप क्या करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, इनको डिवाइड करते हैं. जब वन में फाइंड करना होता है तो हम डिवाइड करते हैं. डिवाइड 12. When you will divide, you will get the answer of it. 12 for the 48, again 12 for 48 and 0. So 440 will be the answer. You can find out, you can divide it like this. Okay, so students, I hope these questions are now clear to you. Do the practice of this exercise. Okay, see you in the next video with the new exercise. Till then, take care. Keep studying. Have a nice day.